How to get unlimited coins and keys in Subway servers. It's so easy. I'm telling Soul right now. It's like the easiest thing I've ever done to get so many coins and keys. So I'm just gonna show you the proof and then I'm gonna tell you how to do it. So enjoy. So it tells me update the app. I don't wanna update the app right now. So wait, hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna turn on some music. So
you were just making it look like you were playing. You're a phony! You're a big fat phony! That's right, a big fat phony!
I grind for my niggas tryna get they money. I floss for them bros that was acting funny. See me doing good, so now she tryna love me. But I just hit it when I see her, she my punch buggy. On my grind, cause dollar signs on my mind all the time was underpaid. Now my name underline, bold print. Oh shit, she just wanna shine like a glow stick. That's why I break her off, then I shake her off. Can I kick it? Niggas wanna fly, but they ain't tryna buy no ticket. I just laugh at her while I'm shooting jumpers from the Xbox. Debuting some dead stocks, writing on my handheld, refusing to wear lock. OVO Jordan 6s tell me how my feet taste. Ayo, this should've been an album for Pete's sakes. Got these Jordan 3s on, I rock them for Pete's sake. And it's a rocky road to get to that cheesecake. But we get into it, get into it, get into it. We get into it. AC is get into it.